Are you suffering from carpal tunnel syndrome caused by excessive typing or mouse usage? Have you been diagnosed with conditions like mouse shoulder or repetitive stress injury? If so, consider using a speech recognition program like Dragon Naturally Speaking to operate your computer hands-free. Not only will it allow your upper limbs to rest and recover, it will also help your productivity in tasks like email, word processing, and web browsing. This is because, according to a Stanford research study, voice typing can be up to 3 times faster than typing with your fingers. Dragon Naturally Speaking is available on both Windows and Macintosh operating systems. On Mac OS, it's called Dragon Dictate. With the current versions of Dragon Naturally Speaking, you do not need to train the software for hours so that it can adapt to your accent and style of speaking. For most of the tasks, the software works right out of the box. After installation, you can get it started in as little as 15 minutes. So how did I come about Dragon Naturally Speaking? I developed severe RSI symptoms after 2 decades of working in the high-tech industry. The health condition brought other problems such as fibromyalgia to surface, making it impossible for me to operate a computer anymore. That is, until I found Dragon Naturally Speaking. During the course of my learning, I found that many users do not realize that they not only can use Dragon Naturally Speaking for dictation, email, or word processing, but also for web browsing, working with spreadsheets, and improving productivity by automating the workflows. Some of the less tech-savvy users were not aware that they can use cheap noise-canceling external sound card in a noisy environment to work with Dragon Naturally Speaking. I therefore created free video tutorial to share my knowledge to help users utilize Dragon Naturally Speaking to its full potential, and in the process help them gain of their pain due to RSI. These video tutorials can be accessed through my blog and my YouTube channel. In return, all I ask is that when you're ready to purchase a copy of Dragon Naturally Speaking software, please consider going through my website link to Amazon or directly to the online store of Nuance, the manufacturer of Dragon Naturally Speaking. When you purchase a copy of Dragon Naturally Speaking in this way, I may get an affiliate commission from the online store. Going through my links will not change the price for you in any way. You can always choose to purchase Dragon Naturally Speaking independently, but by purchasing through the links below, you will be helping me invest more time and energy in creating better, high-quality tutorials so that you can be more productive in your daily computing tasks. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me and I will try to help you out to my best of my ability. Thanks for watching. I wish you best of health.